Okay, so g'day and welcome back to Marty's Coins and Banknotes. And does anyone know what this is? So this is an old container that is actually good to actually house coins, although I'm not too sure what the plastic is. So it's probably just good for actually just what UK 1 penny spares. Okay, good for transport. So this is an old camera case for film, which pity they don't make these anymore because there's no point. It's an obsolete technology, so you might as well not actually make them anymore. Or you can use coins like this, a case like this. I'm not too sure. This might have been some medicine. This was probably another disposable. These are good things to actually house your. Oh, probably not good to actually house your coins. I wouldn't put any high grade coins in there, but if you got low grade coins, so these common date 5 cent coins, yeah, then why not? I wouldn't be putting in anything like these. Wouldn't be putting any of these rupee silver coins in. Probably just damage them. Anyway, so I've got some new items, and I just wanted to go through them on the actual camera and see what is worth keeping and what is possibly not really worth that much. Now, obviously, you can see that all different coins and from all different time periods. So the first one we have is a coin from it's from the, so it should be the Central African CFA franc, and this one was issued specifically for Cameroon. These ones are always collectible, 10 franc. Now I'm not going to say the mintage because I just don't know them at this time. I'd need to make an individual video. Yeah, but these ones are actually pretty collectible, and I see it sell for about $5 or $10, but because I don't have that one, that will be going into the collection. Next coin has Elizabeth II. Obviously, it's got some damage. It's got a hole in the head. And this one's this is a pretty common Cypriot 5mm coin. So the lowest denomination they issued was a 3mm, and it has. This is probably a pre-Greek period, probably Eto-Greek, who actually, I think it's Linear B, they actually produced Linear A. I think Linear A was the Mycenaeans, and Linear B was the Minoans. So there was another script that they actually used. So before the Greeks migrated to the island, there was an indigenous population, but I got that, so I'm not really needed it. Common coin from Kenya, 5 cents, lowest denomination they issued. Kenyatta is probably worth $1 or less, but you need to look up the actual mintage figures. Okay, then we have a 1956 coin from France, but issued for the French African possessions. And these ones, I think they sell for about $5 to $10. And another one is another 25 francs. So both issued for Africa, and I believe that is stylized fish issued in is it the East African, or is it no, the West African CFA franc? But as you can see, 56, 57, these might have been issued in the same territory, but they just changed the actual denomination. That I'll need to look up. But this one says Occidental Franchise Togo. So obviously for West Africa and Togo. Togo used to be a German colony, and it was occupied by France during the First World War. This one's also for Occidental. Okay, so they're both for the same area. And I don't have those ones. Okay, quite a common coin from Ghana, 1 Pesiwa, 1967. I think it's like 30 million minted. In this condition, not really worth that much, about $1. Which you can readily get them for in uncirculated grade. Okay, Chile, 5 pesos, 1977. They don't currently use the 5 peso. The lowest coin they have is the 10 peso, which is worth 2 cents. So this one's equivalent 5 cents. Not 5 cents, to 1 cent. Okay, so Republic of Chile, we have Liberty, Flying, Breaking the Chains, and 1973, that's when the dictatorship actually fell. Is it? Chile. No, I think that was in the 90s. Anyway, but I'm not too sure what this 73 is. And another coin from Chile, 50 pesos, currently circulating coin. Here's the smallest denomination in 10 pesos, 1981. But they've changed the actual image on the back. So the 10 pesos does have Mr. Higgins on the actual coin. So these are 2 current circulating coins, so not really worth that much. Then another Chile peso, 20 centavos, 1924. Quite nice. And there's the Andean condor, quite a nice bird. Okay, so that one's probably a few dollars for that. I'm not too sure if I have that coin, I need to look it up. Then we have a Trinidad and Tobago 2001, 1 cent current circulating coin, but I'm not too sure if they actually produce these anymore because the value's so low. So not really worth that much, but I'm not too sure if I have that one. Okay, another coin from East Africa. So we've got Equatorial Africa, and there's a 5 franc, and I don't have that coin, so that can go with the actual 10 franc that I've got up there. Roughly the same, 5 to 10 bucks, I believe. Okay, 10 francs. So this is in French. So this might be another Cameroon from 1967. And is that the same as the other coin? Yeah, but in nicer condition. Okay, so there's 2 of those. Anyway, never know what you're going to get. Okay, this coin I actually quite like. It's a Brazilian one, Cruzeiro 1945. So they issued the Cruzeiro 1944 to replace the Rays or Hayes. I think it was like 1,000 Hayes to equals 1 Cruzeiro. And on the back we just have a map of Brazil with all the mountain ranges, and well, not all the mountain ranges, just the main ones, and the main river. The Amazon River is up the top. Yeah, so this one is probably worth $2 to $3. I need to look the mintage figure up for that. As far as I know, I've got that coin. And then we have East Africa with the 6-pointed star, 1937. This is a half penny, so I don't have that one in copper nickel. And here we have a 1/2 penny in bronze, issued for the same place. Oh no, Nigeria. But this one replaced the West African pound at par. So Nigeria, I don't have that one, which is very interesting, and nor do I have that one. So on this side, I've got the coins I got in the collection. On the other side, the ones are probably going, okay, Morocco, 1371, I think that's at 1950, 10 franc, pretty common coin. Not worth that much, but quite nice. Current circulating Trinidad and Tobago, 25 cents. Yeah, if you get a whole set, then you know it's worth about $5. Current Bahraini coin, I think this is a 5. Feels, yeah, also not worth that much. Then we have a South African sixpence, 1943, at least worth silver value, which I think is about 80% silver. Need to look that up, but anyway, it's high grade, so that's actually worth keeping. Then we have a a 5 francs from, okay, West Africa again, 1956. So that goes with this coin. So we've got the 5.25. Wonder if there's a 10 there somewhere. Need to look that up. Okay, this is the smaller 5 pesos from Chile, 1989, Liberty. Then we have a farthing, quarter penny from South Africa, 1943. A pretty good uncirculated grade. So I would say probably at least $5 for that. It's actually quite nice with 2 birds on it, but I can't remember what the birds are. Looks like they're on a Christmas tree. Okay, some more coins from Trinidad Tobago, 10 cent, 99, 2000. Yeah, so they're quite nice. If you want to know what's on these coins, I do make different videos. I think I've made a Trinidad Tobago coin before. Okay, first coin from Kenya, 1966, 50 cent. And the current smallest coin is 1 shilling, which is equivalent to 1 cent. So this is equivalent to half a cent. And as you can see, initially, I think up to 1969, they didn't put any lettering around the center. And the current coins are introduced because putting people on banknotes is unconstitutional according to the Constitution of Kenya. Okay, now we have a 20 cent from 1943. So the smallest denomination they issued in Brazil is the 10 centavos. This is a 20, and it's the same series as this one. So quite a nice coin, not too bad, and they're worth a few dollars each. Okay, I think this is the bellies. No, it's an African sixpence, and it comes from Nigeria. So that goes with the Nigerian coin that we got before. Nigerian coins are actually very expensive. Now, these are only single year issues, so they are high mintage, probably at least 100 million each. But Nigerian coins, I don't know why, they're just very expensive. Okay, then we've got a 1 peso from Chile again. So it looks like there's nearly a whole series there. Then we have a 1978. Okay, so that's West Africa, 1 franc. And here we have the fish. That's the emblem of the actual bank. So that goes with the African ones. Got a 1 shilling from Nigeria. So this one's a little bit smaller than 10 cent. Although at the same time, it was equivalent to 1 Australian shilling. As you can see, it's security rated. And it's quite nice. The last coin we have is 1 franc from Morocco, 1945. And where's the other? Here's the 10 franc. So as you can see, the style is different. Although with this issue, this 1 franc coin was an aluminium coin. And they have the pentagon for the actual country's name. Cherifin. Okay, I think that's the Arabic name of the actual country. So yeah, not too bad, worth a few dollars each. So basically, it's not a bad haul. So these ones I will endeavour to see if these I have in a collection or if they're double. And these ones I already know I have most of these. But even if you have all these coins, just check the mintages. And also check for errors. You might have die cracks or anything on these coins. Anyway, thank you very much. Have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.